How to use Uniswap with MetaMask Mobile. In order to do this, you need to simply launch the MetaMask Mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the browser tab. That would be the fourth tab in the bottom. So you need to simply tap on it. Over here you need to tap on the home page if it doesn't loads, and here you need to use the search bar, and in the search bar you need to simply search for Uniswap. Now once you search for Uniswap, you need to simply press enter and wait for some time until it is launching uniswap.org platform in the MetaMask mobile application. Now once you are on Uniswap, you need to tap on the connect button in the top right hand corner of the screen and select your MetaMask wallet. Now this way you will be able to connect your MetaMask wallet with Uniswap, and now you can start the swapping process, and you can even purchase NFTs. You can do whatever you want on Uniswap with the help of your MetaMask application. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.